Well, praise God, there's no music being played. There was earlier. We had a lot of work to do today. I fell down those stairs a few days ago, so my back hurts like a farmer's does during harvest time. I want to give you an idea of what's going on. Game plan for today. I'll be taking all of my available buckets that I have, and then I'm going to take my strawberry plants, and I'm going to put available buckets all the way around them with the strawberry bucket in the center and try to root these shoots that are coming out here, because I need to get some roots on these things so I can go ahead and grow them. Those are my new plants. And then I'm going to go ahead and drill holes in the ones that need to have holes drilled. But most importantly, I'll get these dusted here today. Look at this. Look at that. Now there's my ginger root in the center. So I've got to get some of these transplanted out. They took off pretty quickly once I planted them. Here's my snow peas. And I got to get this stuff taken care of. Today's fertilizing day. I'm going to be fertilizing all the 5-gallon buckets that need fertilization. I haven't done it yet, so this will be the first time I've done it. And get them taken care of. And then, of course, dust what needs to be dusted. And harvest what I need to harvest. Now, today I plan on doing some weeding. I need some tools to do it, to get it done. And I'm also going to do some harvesting and probably some canning of some tomatoes today. So it's a busy day today, and it is my day off, thank God. I decided to take it off because there's some damage to my back when I fell, and I know better to not push it too hard. So I'll be removing these buckets out of the way so I can go ahead and get in here and get this weeding done. But first things first, I'm going to get the fertilization done, harvesting done, see what I'm facing today. I have a lot of tomatoes that are ready. I have strawberries that need to get rooted, and I have fertilization that needs to be done. So I need to get in here and get this stuff harvested and see what I'm facing. I know I'm going to want some dry some of these tomatoes and can some of these tomatoes. So we got the equipment, might as well get it done, and then we're going to take a look and see what else I need to get done. See, these need to get some fertilization going. So they're dependent upon me to get it done. And that's where we're at today. So we're going to go forward and see what happens. Stay tuned.